Hey guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing the top 4 must-have free applications for your Windows, PC, or laptop from Microsoft Store. So all these 4 applications are free that you can get from Microsoft Store. Okay, so let's start. So to begin, please click on your Microsoft Store and please do find the search tab. Okay, so once you found that, let's get started with the fourth application, which is Adobe Photoshop Express. So let me just type it here, Adobe Photoshop Express. Okay, so this one. So to install this application, all you need to do is just click on the Get button here, and it will automatically install in your PC or laptop. Okay, so this application lets you edit and beautify your pictures because the free Adobe Photoshop Express provides photo magic at your fingertips. So it's very amazing. It's a very amazing application. And the third application is Netflix. So I'm very sure that you're familiar with this application because it's very common nowadays. Okay, so still to install this application, all you need to do is just click this Get button here. And this application lets you watch movies or series. So if you're looking for the most talk about TV shows and movies from around the world, well, they're all on Netflix. And the second application that you need to have to your computer or laptop is Spotify. Okay, so this application is also very common nowadays because this lets you listen to your favorite songs, music, and podcast. So still, to install this application, all you need to do is just click this Get button here and it will automatically install in your application. And for the first or the top one application that I recommend for you to have is Dropbox. Let's just search Dropbox app here. Okay, so this application is also very similar or it's much like OneDrive, but I prefer Dropbox because it's user friendly and you can get 5 gigabytes free space here. So Dropbox brings all your files together into one place so you can store, sync, and share across all your devices. So this is an online storage application. Okay, so did you get all the 4 top free applications? If you did, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.